uKhuzani Mpungose Dlamlenze kade ku-interview laphana kwisiteshi seGoli 702. Le interview bengingazi ngayo, maybe ayimemezela, maybe kuyi-surprise interview. Ikulive yakhe lapha ku-Facebook. Ngizoyiposta nje after le short video engenzayo. Kuningi akhuluma ngakho uKhuzani, especially umcimbi wakhe, uhambo lwakhe emculweni, kujabulisa abantu ukuhlanganisa unyaka. Phinde wadlala ingoma yakhe ethi Ijele, kukhuluma nge-album yakhe yakamuva, nokuningi nje-ke ukuthinta umsebenzi wakhe wamaskandi. Ilokho-ke ngifuna ukubuka njengamanje, kodwa-ke i-live yakhe izodlala emva kwale nkulumo engiqeda kuyenza manje. Ngiyabonga ni-enjoy, nisale kahle.
And that's how we start the Music Corner on this Sunday of your 702 Weekend Breakfast with the president of the Blue Nation, a multi-award-winning, chart-topping, the king of Maskandi music, Khuzani, with a song called Ijele. He actually joins us in studio this morning, and we're thrilled to have him in the Music Corner. We'll be talking all things 15 years in the music business, but also a new foundation that he started to help young people who are currently looking to study at our public universities. If you'd like to speak to Khuzani, you can call us on 011-883-0702. Send us your SMSs on 31702. You can also send us your WhatsApp messages on 0727021702. Khuzani, good morning.
Oh, morning.
Thank you so much for joining us.
Oh, jabule kakhulu.
Sijabule ukuba nawe. It's good to have you here.
Ayi, nami ngijabule kakhulu. I'm so grateful to get this opportunity to be at your studio.
My gran would be so jealous. She's such a huge fan of your music. She
Serious?
Adores you. She calls you umfana wake.
Akafuni
nje ngawe gogo, you are nje. She
adores
adores you.
Mangiphumala ngicela simfonele masiphuma la. Ngithi hi Granny.
She would love that. She absolutely
Yes.
loves you. A lot of people adore you. You know, your music does really well. You put out music and people love it. When it's time to vote, people vote. What do you think it is about your music, umculo wakho, that people love so much? People like my grand, millions in the country.
Because my music talks message. Yes, because it's very important if you are an artist to sing a message. Because there are a lot of artists outside there, but some of their songs, they don't have that message abantu abayifunayo. So it's very important ukuthi music wakho ukhulume nabantu, ukhulume nenkinga zabantu. Your music must be the solution to some people. If umuntu ebhekene ne-problem, elalela music wakho uthi ay man yabo. For example, kunengoma yami ethi musukuthatha isibhamu, wait for your chance in life. Your chance will come. Wait a little bit, don't rush things and you think take a gun and go and do a robbery. So just imagine how many people, that song's more and millions on streaming. How many people that will say this song so it's very important. As you have listened to the song here, Ijele. Some people are afraid to get in married because they think, so
you can be happy in marriage.
I'm telling them that you can be happy even there, and you can be even happy more, because now you have a permanent partner. You can move everywhere you want. So it's just a message. That's why even abantu abadala bethanda, because babona lo mntwana ucula into yakhe isizwe. Yes.
Tell me about Blue Nation. How did it start? Why is it called the Blue Nation? And when did you realize that, hey man, this thing is really, it's happening, it's a real movement?
Okay, so Blue Nation is the name of my fan base. I'm a fans because they call themselves Blue Nation. You know, when you talk about Blue Nation, we're not talking about the sky blue, it's a royal blue. As you know that the term royal means ubukhosi, ne? So when they take royal blue, they said no, this color is representing this man. We need to give him this man because he deserved it. So iqale ngokuthi abantu bethanda music wami bese bethi no man, Asihlanganeni sisibone ukuthi how many we are and how can we group ourselves and support this man. We believe that if we group ourselves, this man gonna get more support than if we support as individuals. So they combined themselves. They started to follow me on Facebook and all the social platforms to give me a huge support. And ngiyabonga kakhulu, I'm so grateful to be supported like that, because ngabe I'm not where I am if they did not combine themselves and give me the support they gave.
Yeah.
So Manzo Kipu Music, if I'm about to release the album, they used to collect the money from every branches to say, no, let's collect it, maybe 500,000. Let's give this man, and once the album is released, he collect the CDs and transport it wherever we are. And there are group leaders, we used to call them Izinduna. Lapha bakhontrola khona ama branches. We have more than 100 branches, even in Swaziland, Zimbabwe, Gauteng. We have even sub branches and the main branches. So laba bantu banama group WhatsApp whereby laba khuluma khona ukuthi no manje sizosupporta kanje, let's go and listen to this song, let's go to listen to this song. That's why a lot of songs, more than 40 or 30 songs, bastreama millions, because bacombine ukuthi sisupport lo muntu.
So the Blue Nation is an actual nation. It's got Induna. It has structures. There's
Yes,
people in different parts of the country.
yes.
That
We
are
have
part of the nation.
secretary, general, we have Izinduna, we have,
That's amazing.
yes, we are the nation. That's why
Because I always wondered why Blue Nation, and you can see the impact of the Blue Nation. You know,
Yes.
if it's time to vote for, if you are competing in Song of the Year,
yes,
you know, we see you do either win it or your top 3 usually,
Yes.
or number 1. If you are releasing an album like you did last year,
yes,
the album very quickly goes to the top 10.
yes, yes,
And
yes.
it's just, and it's people who are just, and they're doing this for free. They just love the music,
Love the music.
love
just
the work you do.
Yes,
So they
yes.
just organize themselves.
Yes, look, if let's say there is a competition, maybe if I'm nominated somewhere, they just tell all the branches, now there is a competition, you need to vote. So every week they collect airtime. Each and every branch, they collect airtime and they vote together. Even if there are those people who are busy at work, they don't have time to work to vote, they just give the airtime to someone in that
Someone
branch.
else to vote.
Just imagine more than 100 branches collect airtime every week and they vote. And they have everything written there that says, Nambiti, they voted with 10,000 this week.
Wow.
Dandi, they voted with 15,000 this week. This thing happens every week. So just imagine how come that Khuzani cannot win
Yeah.
if there are people who support like that.
I didn't realize it was a whole government. A whole, you're running a parallel stage, a whole government.
Yeah.
And even like last year, we saw you release your album.
Yes.
That also made history. It was the first
Maskandi album to top the Apple Music.
Yeah.
It was the first Maskandi artist to top, and it was history. We used to say kuyaqala endimeni
Yes.
umlando.
And also, I think it's very significant because when we think of, you know, the charts, a lot of it is dominated by international music.
Yes.
And I think it's still so great to see not just local music, but umculo wesintu, umaskandi,
Break
topping the
ama
charts.
boundaries like
Yeah,
that.
and it's still, I think that's really exciting because it's young and old
Yes.
who are listening to your music.
Yes, yes, and if we can, it's not even me now only. There are some other Maskandi artists now who are starting to join me to uqopha imlando kuma charts. And manje sesiqala ukuba i-threat manje nakwamanye ama-genre.
Really?
Because I saw the video of some lady who was complaining. We found Khuzani topping the charts. Why Maskandi topping the charts? There are music like that. Mentioning the hip hop artist like that, like why Maskandi this, yeah, but so I started to say, yo, nah, it's la manje ke se bangena manje.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I think that's very true. It speaks to, you know, my grand used to listen to Maskandi. That's
Yeah.
how I learned of Umaskandis because I grew up with my gran. And so for many of us, we associate Umaskandi with our parents, our grandparents.
Yes.
But the face of Umaskandi is changing. It is, you yourself are a young person, and you
Yes.
are one of the leading artists in the genre.
Yes.
So we're seeing that, again, indigenous traditional music still has a place. Yes, we listen to other genres, but there's still a market. People still want, our own music as well.
Yes, because Maskandi is I think is the only genre that allows you to speak freely on the message. Because you see, when you're about to dance, I can say hey 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 hey. That's a song. People get happy and everyone is happy. But when it comes to Maskandi, I talk a message.
Yes.
Yes, khono sazoba
You tell
inja,
a story.
khono sazoba imbongolo.
You have to tell a story.
I have to tell a story.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can put it in that way.
We have received some WhatsApp voice notes on 0727021702.
Hi Cooks, hi Tokozani. Oh, what a nice person having in the studio today. Cooks, I'm a colored girl, right? And I taught myself to speak isiZulu, even though it's not fluently. But I'm telling you, the way I love his music, at times, well, I have to figure out, okay, he's saying that, but his music, it's beautiful. I love his music because it always has a message. When I actually sat down and say, let me figure out what's going on with this music. I love this music. I love his music. I love it, Tokozani. Great job. Great work. Thanks. Bye, Cook.
Thank you very much for that WhatsApp voice note. And I mean, even there, you have a listener that doesn't speak Zulu. She's taught herself. But she loves...
She's a colored.
She's a colored South African.
Is that he loved that guy?
And she loves your music. And so your music, not only,
for Zulu and the one who understands Zulu,
but
now it's for everyone.
Yeah.
Ish, yabona le nto engizwa umlando. That's why I say just open it in the studio so that we can hear, even the cameras can take it.
Yeah.
Hey, umlando. It's the first time ngithola abantu abangebona abantu abakwazi ukuzwa isiZulu bethi bathanda umculo wami. Angazi, I don't know if benginamandla bengizothi can you repeat izwe again what she said.
We're going to play it again.
Please,
Voice note again.
Hi Cooks, hi Tokozani. What a nice person having in the studio today. Cooks, I'm a colored girl, right? And I taught myself to speak isiZulu, even though it's not fluently. But I'm telling you, the way I love his music, at times, well, I have to figure out, okay, he's saying that, but his music, it's beautiful. I love his music because it always has a message. When I actually sat down and said, let me figure out what's going on with this music. I love this music. I love his music. I love you, Tokozani. Great job, great work. Thanks. Bye, Cooks.
So it is 15 years of you in the business, and I mean that's a big milestone, but also quite, as you celebrate this 15 years, you want to help young people, because as we know, abantu abancane want to study, but often means imali ayikho. And you say, part of where the idea for this fundraising came from, as people would often reach out to you asking for help. So tell us about the foundation and the fundraising campaign that you've now launched to see if you can help some students at universities. Okay.
In the past few years, I started the the foundation, in Lamlenza Development Foundation. The aim was to use the foundation to give back to the community, because I still believe that if you get support from the people, you have to show respect to the community by giving back, because we know ukuthi abanye bethu they support us but baqhamuka kwi-background engekho right. Kunomuntu othatha imali yokugcina athi I'm going to Carnival City to support uKhuzani, but I know I'm not working. So even if noma ngabe kuthiwa ngisasizanga yena, but noma ngabe kuthiwa ngisiza omunye, it's fine. But as long as ngizokwazi ukushintsha impilo yomuntu, I'm not government, nami ngiyasebenzela lokho omncane ngikutholayo ukuthi ngiphile, but I want to share with them. so that ngingezosizakala ngedwa ngizosizakala nabantu. So as a part of celebrating 15 years, as we have an event next week, 22 March, at Carnival City, where we are celebrating 15 years. I said this year, because I'm celebrating 15 years, let me start the campaign as a part of celebrating 15 years. This campaign, I will launch the SMS code at Carnival City next week. This SMS code, I ask the community to contribute by sending the SMS to this SMS code, so that I will take every cent from that SMS line, a code, to contribute to the student that now are unable to go to universities because of bakweleta uNSFAS. Why ngicabangeleyo is because nginama messages amaningi kuma inbox wami, nginama kuma emails wami, kuma WhatsApp, where abantwana bengasakwazi ukuya ezikoleni ngenxa ukuthi bayakweleta ezikoleni, abasakwazi bathi bahlele emakhaya, ama message akhalisayo uma uwafunda. So I said no, I can't win if I'm alone. Let me ask the community to help me, to help the student to access the education, because we know ukuthi as a country sifuna future yalelizwe inothe ibe kahle. So we can't have a country whereby singenabo abantu abafundile. So I ask for the community to, once the code has been released, I will ask them to SMS, so that I take that money ngisize la bengakwazi ukubasiza bekwazi ukuyela ezikoleni, as a part of celebrating 15 years.
Okay, and I mean the Blue Nation, when you ask, they answer. So I have no doubts that they'll respond. And of course, once that code is available, you can also share it with us.
I will.
As well.
Yes, I will do that.
Khuzani, thank you so much for coming in this morning. It's been such a pleasure having you in the studio. Thank you so much for your time.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu, and I see that you have a gap like me.
Yes.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu, siyabonga.
Thank you so much. It's multi-award-winning, chart-topping Maskandi musician Khuzani joining us this morning. And here's one of his singles from his latest album. It's Imbongolo on the Music Corner.
This is a class, unfortunately.